When business is buzzing, everyone needs a moment of zen, and your chocolate sparks the tastiest mindful moments around. With Intuit Mailchimp in your corner, you've become a pro at creating and automating marketing campaigns to grow your customer base. Now you're hungry for more. QuickBooks, a part of the Intuit family, has the tools to help you simplify your daily business operations and accelerate growth. By integrating Mailchimp with QuickBooks, you have your finance and marketing data in one place, so you can create more effective campaigns. For example, you can use QuickBooks Purchase History to build segments based on taste profiles or seasonality, tailor your messaging, or even your timing to drive results. On average, Mailchimp customers who use the QuickBooks integration generate email click-through rates 1.6 times higher than those who don't. Sweet! QuickBooks makes managing your cash flow easier by helping you identify profitable products in seasonal peaks and lulls, so you can run timely campaigns to even out cash flow. As orders come in, you can get paid up to 4 times faster with QuickBooks Payments. Create and send custom invoices for wholesale customers to pay any way they want to in just a few clicks. QuickBooks' easy-to-read dashboard lets you watch your campaign results impact your business in real time. And just like that, your business is running as smooth as dark drinking chocolate. QuickBooks and Mailchimp, working together to keep you in the know and help you grow.